You see what has happened in Abuja over Wike. Wike sees himself as an emperor, but he's not an emperor. He's not a demigod. Do you get what I'm saying? He did what he did in Rivers because that stupid Fubara couldn't stand himself. You're a governor. They came from nowhere and uprooted you and removed you, and you kept quiet. All you did was to go back to plead. To plead to who? To who? Who the hell is he? When he was Rivers, can anybody have come there to do what he did to you? And he was the one that single-handedly removed Fubara, and he's still claiming that he's somebody. Don't he know that a lot of people are not in support of him? A lot of people hate him. Let me tell you, even the so-called, some of the cabals, the big guys in Nigeria, the criminals, when we talk big guys, we are talking about criminals, corrupt people. That's what we are talking about. Wike is doing all what he's doing today because the president is in support of what he's doing. Wike delivered the River State to him. Do you get the point? And that is the reason why they gave him FCT, Abuja, to do whatever he likes. Wike has no reason. He has no right to claim anybody's land on no occasion. But what can you say? You know, the worst he could do is to bring somebody to the court. You understand? Okay, this land was apportioned to be road. This place is apportioned to be road. Or it's supposed to be drainage. Or it's supposed to be built a museum, you know, by federal government. Going by the plan of the city, the way it should be. That is the way things are done. You go through the judiciary, but judiciary is like tissue paper. You know, nobody is there. They tell them whatever they want to. If they bring whoever judge they put there, they tell him what he's going to do. That is what they are doing in Nigeria. They are running like Nigeria like a club, mafian group, running Nigeria the way they want. That is why I said there will be nothing like new Nigeria. There is no unity in Nigeria. Every tribe is angry among others. You know, bigots everywhere. That is what is happening in Nigeria. And that is why you see someone like Wike that you can use one finger and fling him. He's making like he has power. All those security boys that is following them, you see all of them with pot bellies. They are eating fufu, drinking beer to stupor like they are emperor. I mean, like Wike. That is why you see them like that. None of them can run 200 meters without panting. They will be panting like dying goats. All of them. You know, and you want to compare yourself with a full military man. I don't mean Fulani Boko Haram that has infiltrated the army. I mean the rugged military people that does training to become a military. Not the one that we are bribed to enter. The one that was brought to come and enter into military. I don't mean all those type of people. I mean real military man. Real soldier. Do you understand? So Wike is doing all this nonsense and he's going free. A lot of people don't like him. So many criminals as well don't like him because he's overacting. Do you know that he went into P2B's land and also did the same thing? Broke the fence. I don't know if he took it over as well. You understand? If Wike does not like you, he will try to intimidate you by taking over your land or talking recklessly. The man is so arrogant, he doesn't know how to talk. He has no respect for nothing, for nobody, because Tinubu is allowing him to talk. Who the hell is he? Who the hell is that looking skinny and sicky? You want to talk. The whole people that are guiding you, none of them are capable of guiding you. They don't even have the strength. A lot of people don't like you, Wike, and a lot of people hate you because you are arrogant. Or what? Your leg is in PDP. One leg in PDP, one leg in APC. Because he delivered the River State to Mr. President. That is why he's keeping you quiet. Assuming Nigeria is practicing democracy, real democracy, when things has to be done democratically. Who the hell are you? Even the president must answer. Every little thing that happens, he must come and answer questions. President that couldn't even do an interview in Chatham House, they designated a question to him. He designated another person. Is it Erufai that is ruling Nigeria now? Is it not him making all the decisions? That is why you must tell people what you want to do and you must answer questions. That is how president does, not designating question to people and not allowing people to do what they want. You have to go, due process must take place, not just coming out to become like you are an emperor. After stealing a lot of money, you want to come and show yourself, and you telling me that there will be something like New Nigeria. There will nothing be like New Nigeria. I say it. I'm not just being negative. I'm telling you what I have seen. The peace that was available during Jonathan can never be available anymore. Every tribe is agitated right now. Everybody is angry. Everybody is very, very angry. And Wike is making people angry. I think and I feel he can see a little of what is coming to him. More of that. The owner of that land that those soldiers were guarding, the man is not happy with him, of course. And so many other people that are very angry with him. He should know that. He should know that. He thinks he can, FCT minister, you are the president of FCT. That is what he feels. He's the president after Tinubu is him. He can say what he wants to say. Nobody will. If you even bring him for an interview, he will never allow you to talk. He will not allow you. As if all these journalists are afraid of him to ask him questions. When you ask somebody question, you allow the person to answer you. When he's talking too much, you shut him down and ask him another question. That's why I like Hussaini Rufai. Hussaini will not allow you to overpower him. And that is the way it should be. That is democracy. These animals, these criminals, these idiots that are calling themselves any name that they are not. That is what is happening. More of this one is coming to Wike. He's not aware what is going to happen to him. I'm very sorry for him, but he should tread with care. Do things normally. Do things with due process. Don't intimidate people. Don't talk recklessly to people. Look at the way you are talking to, calling a full-fledged man a fool, telling him to shut up like he's your boy. So you can talk to anybody the way you like. You can talk to anybody the way you like. You are very lucky that the guy respected himself. He would have beaten you up. I wish he beat you up. I wish he beat you up so that you learn. But at least what he did should caution you so that you know that more of this, if not more, things that are more dangerous than this will come your way soonest, so that others will learn. And this is what Nigerians need. These useless Nigerian youths, they don't know when to react. This is the time to react. This is the time. When you come out for protest, you stand for it. Don't go inside until you achieve. Hunger will not allow you people to protest. Even though they are telling you not to go to Aso Rock, you must pass Aso Rock. That's the way it's done. Don't listen to police. If police stand your way, you overpower him. That is the way it should be. You must get to where you are going, because if you stay on the street and deliver your message, it will never get to the person that has to get the message. That is why there is no place you must designate for protest. Everywhere you can protest anywhere. Everywhere belongs to the whole Nigeria. You must protest anywhere you like. Don't tell people not to protest a certain place. Wike, more is coming to you. I love what happened to you. So that some of your people, or even all these governors raising shoulders, they will learn. One day, they will also see exactly what you have seen. The little you saw is just a tip of an iceberg. Be careful and behave yourself. If you are drunk, stay home, don't come out. Your wife should guide you and caution you. Whenever you put alcohol in your mouth, stay back home. All those drunk, all those looking hefty guys with pot bellies, you are moving around. Only one beating, all of them will run and leave you. Be careful. Better you know. Only one thing, all of them will run and save their heads, because they are all family men. They cannot die for you. Know that, and you will be saved. Animal Emperor, Diot.